morning, students. Welcome to your physics online class. In today's class, we will discuss how to measure the distances up to molecular size. So in today's class, we will discuss a method to measure molecular size. For that, we will select oleic acid. Why we use oleic acid for that? Because oleic acid is a soapy liquid which has a molecular size of up to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. And one more important point about oleic acid is that it will form monomolecular layer. What is the meaning of this monomolecular layer? Mono means single, molecule layer. जब भी ओलिक एसिड किसी सरफेस पे स्प्रेड होता है तो ये एक पतली सी लेयर बनाता है और उस लेयर की जो थिकनेस है दैट थिकनेस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू साइज ऑफ इट्स वन मॉलिक्यूल. मीन्स अगर इतनी सी थिकनेस की हमें कोई भी फिल्म मिलती है तो दैट थिकनेस इज इक्विवेलेंट टू diameter of one molecule of oleic acid. So if we are able to find out this thickness, we can calculate the molecular size of oleic acid. That's the basic principle about this method. So how we will proceed to measure this molecular size? First of all, we prepare a sample of oleic acid. And for that we will take 1 centimeter cube of oleic acid in 19 centimeter cube of alcohol to prepare its 20 centimeter cube solution. And then we will take 1 centimeter cube from this solution and dilute it. What do you mean by dilution? For dilution, we will add water in any solution to decrease its concentration. So again, we will get a 20 centimeter cube solution. That's our main sample for study. And the concentration of this sample is given by 1 by 20 into 20 centimeter cube. That means we have prepared a solution of oleic acid with a concentration of 1 by 20 into 20 centimeter cube. Oleic acid per centimeter cube. That's the concentration we have selected. Now what we will do? We will take water in a container and spread lycopodium powder on that water surface. Here we will select lycopodium powder as it doesn't get absorbed with water. So we will take a thick layer of lycopodium powder on water surface and then we add dropwise our sample to water. जैसे हम एक ड्रॉप हमारे इस सैंपल की वाटर में ऐड करेंगे ये ओलिक एसिड उस पाउडर के ऊपर एक थिन फिल्म की तरह स्प्रेड हो जाएगा. जैसे इंक पेन से हम लिखते हैं और उस पर एक वाटर ड्रॉपलेट डालें तो वो स्प्रेड होती है. इन द सेम मैनर दैट ओलिक एसिड विल स्प्रेड आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए थिन फिल्म. इस तरह से स्प्रेड होके एक थिन फिल्म बन जाती है. सो इमीडिएटली वी विल मेजर, वी विल कंसीडर इट एज अप्रोक्सीमेटली सर्कुलर. सो वी विल मेजर इट्स diameter. And that diameter is equivalent to thickness of this film. How we will measure then the thickness? We will use the concept that volume is equivalent to area of film multiplied by its thickness. Then we have to find out the thickness of this film. ये जो पतली से फिल्म बनी है इसकी थिकनेस कितनी है हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम? सपोज वी हैव एडेड n drops and the volume of one drop is V. So we will get our total volume by this method. Area of the film. If it is a circular film and we have measured its diameter, then the area of the film is pi r square. So I'll write here A, and thickness of the film is T. So by using this formula, we can find out the thickness of given film. This is the method to calculate molecular size. If you have any doubt in this method, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.